So how about, I didn't realize my planner ended in December of 2022. I honestly thought I had another 6 months to go. But anyways, come with me to Hobby Lobby as I shop for some new ones. I typically get my planners from Amazon, but this year I want to do something a little different. As you can see, they have a lot of options you can choose from. Oh, and it was 40% off. So here's the three binders I was looking at. The black one was for my household, and then these two were for me, but I still wasn't sure which one I wanted. This was a faith-based one. Like, it was cool, but I really liked the colors and the vibes of the dry floral one. Now, the next I needed was stickers, y'all. When I tell y'all, it was so many stickers, but there were two that really caught my eye. A faith-based pack, and then there was a dry floral pack. Y'all, I was born in the 1900s, and we used to write everything down on a piece of paper, and that's what I'm doing for my family planning now. Binder was too small. It didn't hit the floor, y'all. I threw it on the shelf. Anyways, here's the budget. Here is the meal plan, and then you already know I need my Jesus in my life because we are saved, sanctified, Holy Ghost filled, fire baptized. Hallelujah. Each month has a cute message on there, which I really liked. And they also have the monthly tabs on there, so you don't have to buy any extra ones. And this is from the Agenda 52 collection. Y'all, don't judge my handwriting. You know how hard it is to hold a phone and record, and yeah. But anyways, here is to a wonderful 2023. Now, I'm gonna write down my plans, but y'all already know, like I said, I'm saving. I'm gonna follow the will of God and in his plans and in my plans. Anyways, happy 2023.